Sealers. Do I need to seal my paving? Do I need to seal my porcelain? It's a big debate out there, and hopefully this might help you and guide you in the right direction. The sealers that we manufacture here, we're an innovative manufacturing company here in Jointed Limited. We only accept into our factory premium glues to manufacture our products. The polymers that's in these sealers here, the premium seal, it's an invisible water-based sealer, non-slip. It will not change the colour, the look or the texture of your stone, but it will give you up to 5 years level of protection on your stone. It will not allow any moisture or dirt to penetrate your stone, but it will allow moisture to come out, including inflorescence. It will allow that to come through the stone and it'll just easily wash away. The Jointed Pro Seal, it'll give you 3 years level of protection on your stone. Versus the Jointed Premium Sealer is 5. We do recommend 2 coats of either sealers onto your stone. If it's porcelain you're sealing, 1 coat is probably enough for the porcelain of the Premium Seal. If you're using the Pro Seal, I probably recommend 2 coats on porcelain. Let's talk about that here. This is a sandstone flag here. As you can see, we've sealed one side of it. This is sealed with a Jointed Premium Sealer, 1 coat. It will just bubble there. That's not sealed, and it'll just penetrate right into that flag, bringing the dirt in with it also over time. Porcelain. Let's get around to the hot topic. Do I need to seal porcelain? This porcelain flag here is sealed with the Premium Sealer, 1 coat. See the water just bubbling there? It's even standing up. And let's put the water out here and you can see it just bubbling right away, penetrating into the stone. You can even see it there. Natasha will bring the camera right in and you can see the colour is changing, and that means we're talking about penetration versus the water is nearly clear on the sealed porcelain flag that we have there. And let me show you how easy it is to apply the sealer. In this little container here is the Jointed Premium Sealer. So I'll show you how easy it is. Basically, just pump your bottle and spray it out, and that's it. 1 coat is enough on porcelain. If it's sandstone, we probably recommend 2 coats. But it's very simple. And if anybody has any questions, Gary is my name. There's a team of people here. They're all very, very helpful and knowledgeable here in Jointed, and it's info@jointed.com.